hand me that.
Brandon! What are you doing, silly boy? Brandon, what are you doing? Grandma.
Is Brandon's blanket? Brandon's blanket? Yeah. Brandon's blanket. Brandon's blanket.
No, leave it on.
Oh. Hi. Hi. Are you getting Grandma? Are you getting Grandma? I'm gonna get Brandon. Hi. Hi. Hello, sweetie pie. No, don't chew on Grandma's toes. No, you don't want to suck at Grandma's foot. Go Blanca. Go Blanca. He was trying to chew on my toes. I don't want him chewing on my toes because I've had sandals on today. You know, yuck.
Come on, pick yourself up.
Pick yourself up, dust yourself up, start all over again. Pick yourself up, dust yourself up, start all over again. Pick yourself up, dust yourself up, start all over again. Yeah, isn't that what you do? Pick yourself up, dust yourself up, start all over again. We're gonna go.